Mm. Nah, y'all don't want it, dog. Y'all don't want it, dog. Y'all don't want it, man. Y'all don't want this energy, dog. Y'all don't want this energy, dog. Y'all don't want this energy, dog. Hold on, dog. Hold on. I'm gonna see y'all in the chat. I know y'all coming in the chat. I know y'all getting ready. Hold on. I know y'all y'all know what kind of live. Y'all know what kind of stream this gonna be. What's going on? What's going on, Michael? What's going on, Brian? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Let me stop playing. This is how you know it's a bull market, y'all. This is how you know. This is how you know. I'm smiling, I'm grinning. I got the Kool-Aid smile. Oh, capture moments as they happen. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I gotta get something. Hold on. All right. All right. Boom shakalaka. Yo, what's going on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here on this glorious day. On this glorious day. Let me chill out. How y'all doing, man? Y'all, I'm actually finally using the Stream Deck the right way. Now let me see. Do what you're supposed to do. All right, now let me put these headphones on, man. Let me put these headphones on. Sometimes I wish y'all could talk to me, or I wish there could be a button that I could push and say, "Hey, this person can say something for like 2 seconds," and then boom. And I bet you all you'll hear is hella trolling and terribleness, dog. Just horrible terribleness, man. What's up, Ghost? How you doing, Ghost? Hey guys, look at this, though. Bump what Bitcoin's doing. Forget what Bitcoin's doing. Hold on. Hopefully my head ain't all in the way and whatnot. Ooh. What, 219? 219 hours? That's it? And then we monetized? And then what happens when we get monetized, y'all? What happens when we get monetized? I'll earn $1. I'll earn $1 a month making videos. But go ahead, man. Hey, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure y'all come through. Thank you so much for you guys coming through. I really appreciate you guys. Let's see. Make sure you follow me on my Twitter. There we go. Yeah, make sure you follow me on my Twitter if you haven't already. I follow back. As long as you engage with me, I follow back. You know how that goes. What I need to do is I thought this. Yeah, I need to do that because I can't pay attention to that. There we go. Sorry, y'all. Who's notified? Hey, we live. Crypto viewing, whoever you are. You I know you're in the chat somewhere, but crypto viewing, you always retweeting and supporting. I have to. See, now I don't even have to tweet it out. I can just retweet this. Thank you, bruh. Let's go. See? Do that shit live on stream. Support people that support me. But definitely definitely saw this tweet. This was hilarious. Before I even get started on the stuff, this had me laughing. And of course, you know, the Bitcoin people going crazy. I don't know if you guys catch the other live stream when I was with with bruh, and we were talking about how Peter Schiff he was going through that whole debacle, going through that whole nonsense and whatnot. And of course, all the Bitcoin people coming after him again with the nonsense. So, Lolly, big time supporters of the channel, Lolly. If you haven't, go ahead and check them out. They were just trolling, dog. These dudes is funny, dog. But if you guys haven't tried Lolly, I shamelessly plug them when I can, because for a lot of people that don't know, Lolly was the first company to ever pay me for sponsored content. Lolly was the very first company to ever pay me for sponsored content. So I always like to shout them out for the freezy, just cause. Also, I appreciate that, Chico Army. Thank you guys, always coming through. Go ahead, follow me on my Instagram too if you haven't followed me on my Instagram at CryptoKenzie. That's me right there. Go ahead, follow your boy. But oof, oh my. That Bitcoin looking good. That Bitcoin looking good today, though. How's y'all day going today? Because I know crypto Twitter was going wild, like the wildness. How is y'all day going today? Let me get this autoed up real quick. I know y'all don't want to see all this extra stuff on there. I just want a good, clean. Let me get these settings real quick. Granite. We make this blue. Now that's too light. That's too weird. That's too right. Right though. How's my live stream doing? It's not a fake out. I don't even know if it could be a fake out. But at the end of the day, it's all about just accumulating and just sticking with it, bro. Like, as much as do you know how many fake outs I've seen? I remember this right here. Like, just to be honest, I remember this pump. Do you know why I remember this pump right here? Because this was what album came out during this time? I believe a Kanye West album came out during this pump right here. And that was I forget. But I was like, at this pump, I'm like, ooh, we could just keep popping off and go. And then that's not what happened. We crashed some more, went up, and then crashed some more. So I don't be caring like what it be doing sometimes, like on a day-to-day basis. Just cause look, I drew this the other day. I put a tweet out and I drew this. And I don't know if people cared or not to see it. But I was like, I need to find a way to do the whole tool thing instead of just going back here. I was like, look guys, it's just a giant W. A giant W for win. What's up? What's good, Malcolm? Appreciate you coming, dude. Yeah, Kenzie. But I'm like, yeah, this is a giant W. What for the traders? Hopefully my stream's doing all right. On my side it's saying it's acting weird. Hopefully it's not acting you. No, it wasn't Jesus or Pablo. It was Jesus was way back then. This is like last year, y'all. Whatever the new one is, whatever the gospel one is, that's the one that came out. And I remember that day and I was like, look, Kanye pump Bitcoin for me. Thank you. But yeah, guys, look at this. What is it? I wish I could pull up the 99% chart. You're fine. That's good. That's good. I'm glad I'm good. I'm glad I'm good. All good on the stream, and that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, let me stop acting extra. But I know y'all love the extras. But yeah, when it comes to traders, they like to say when you see W's in the chart, that's always a good sign for a continued market up. But they don't really be saying it in the sense of like big market cycles like this. They really mean it more like within like the minutes and the hours. And I'm like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to trade like that. That doesn't seem fun. That doesn't feel like fun. And granted, buying and holding on through this whole entire time, it wasn't like that fun either. But at least, like, how do I put this? I'm not stressed out every day. How about that? I'm not stressed out every day. I just buy some more. I just buy some more. I just buy some more. And when it's time to get speculative, I buy some alts because then they pop off some more. So everybody was screaming. And here's the crazy thing, y'all. Alts is just getting bakoosh good right now. I don't want all that extra stuff. You know, I'm gonna have to take these off. I mean, how do I? Yeah, look at God. Look at God. You did exactly what I wanted you to do. Now going back, let me get my little indies. But we popped off to 13K, and this is on was on BitMEX. So he popped off to 13K, and now we just chilling. I think what we're gonna do, and I may not be wrong, but we're gonna have to make this 11K that we were struggling for so long. We're gonna have to make that support for wherever we're going. Like this could be the top, or this could be like something else. You know what I'm saying? But all I know is we broke past the whole accumulation that we did for the entire month. Like, what is this? From July to October. So like what, the end of July? Yes, like the end of July to essentially the beginning of September. We've been good. And the whole month of September, alts been draining out, alts have been dying, alts have been doing whatever. Now Bitcoin's time to shine. It's that this is just how the market cycles work. If you saw my crypto money flow video, this is exactly what's going on. Why am I saying so much? Because I'm chewing on something, that's why. But this is exactly what's going on. In the video, he said it straight up. After all the altcoins get all this money and everybody's excited, cool. Hey, chill out. Then everybody who's in alts, they push either go. See, before they didn't have stable coins, but now they have stable coins that they can fall into and chill there. But then, like, if you weren't in stable coins, you would have went into Bitcoin. And if you would have went into Bitcoin, you'd be up on your money. So it's like, oh Lord. So that's why, you know, the whole money flow cycle, even though you could preserve some gains by getting into stable coins, what I do is I trade these alts so that way I can stack more sats, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what I really want. The goal is to get 1 whole Bitcoin, 2 whole Bitcoin, 3, 4, 5, 21. I'm trying to be part of the 21 club, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys know what the 21 club is, but it's essentially if you, for anybody who owns 21 Bitcoin, you're part of the 21 club. And that's like, oof. But then there's like different like levels to it. You've got the 0.1 Bitcoin club, then you got the 1 Bitcoin club. I don't even think the 0.1 Bitcoin club is even a real thing. I could just be making that up. But 1 Bitcoin, then it goes to 10 Bitcoin, then it goes up to wow, unlimited wishy. Is it wishy-washy? 21 club? All good streaming DCA. You ain't who you beat C, turn up. Oh yeah, this feels like I don't think you guys understand. If you're on crypto Twitter right now, shout out to CYDO. If you're on crypto Twitter right now, this, like, I hate that it happens this way sometimes. It's really like we're a cult. Like, it really, like, you're in crypto Twitter and everyone's like 12K, 13K, and I'm like, dang, our whole community just sounds like they want to get robbed. Like, why are we so excited? But then it's hard not to be excited. It's really hard not to be excited when you see these kind of things, and every day you keep getting like reminded, oh, they printing every day, price go up, this that day, price go up. Like, every day you hear all the reasons why the price should go up and it don't, and then the price goes up like what? What is this? Like, I was just going to be on how much percentage from the dump to now? 34%. We lose our minds. But let's make it even worse. From here, from the last top of this year to this top, 7%. Ooh. But I did see a nice little tweet saying, and right now we're probably like in the 98th percentile of people. If you bought like Bitcoin anytime, including all this time behind it, which I got the wrong chart for. I actually want to get the right chart. Give me the right chart. Yes. Give me the right chart. There we go. 98% of the time. Look at this chart. Looking at the long term, doesn't it feel like we're supposed to be exactly where we're supposed to be? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is exciting. Thoughts or any ideas about my crypto portfolio coming into this bull market? Appreciate it. Thank you, Chico Crypto and me, for doing it. Throw up your portfolios up. What's up, Brandon? What's up, Kenzie? Killing it as usual. I'll got to. Mr. Freeze, what's up? Hourglass, what's up? Cozy Media was good. But like, doesn't this look like we're supposed to be right here? Now, it's frightening to think. Whatever is holding us down at this point, this is going to be the next point of support whenever we break it. Look how beautiful this straight line is, and look how many points on Bitcoin it hits. Like here, we fought it here, we tried to come back to it here. I guarantee you, when we break this point and go to 20K, everyone's going to be like, this is the next spot we need to come back down to. And low key, we probably gonna wick down to the CME gap. But you see, no one's talking about the CME gap no more. It's gone. It's poof. Now it makes me worried about it. Oh, now it makes me worried about the CME gap down here. Oh, Lord. Did we make another one on the way up? I don't even want to know. Frightening. But there's always a reason why Bitcoin is going up. And today it's PayPal. There's always a new reason why Bitcoin coming up. PayPal, they getting in the game. What's up? You late, dawg. You late. We've been here. We've been waiting on you. We knew you. So PayPal, they getting in the game. They had this little video. I wanted to play the little video to see how it goes. All right, video corny enough. I'm good. But y'all get the idea. Another big company, another big dude, another big one of these dudes talking about, hey, we got some Bitcoins. We participating in the Bitcoin economy. What's up? We good. Like, it's just we've been told this. I gotta mute this. We're told this so many times, and it's like when it finally starts happening, it's like, oh, yeah, I'm not crazy. Let me buy some more Bitcoin. Let me get some more of these coins. What do you mean? Like, yeah, I hate to beat a dead horse over it, but they're here, they're in the game. But there were already rumors about months ago about them. I don't know if you guys remember, or if you guys here long enough. We knew about them coming into the game months ago. There were leaked documents that came out months ago saying that PayPal is getting ready to do their whole thing. And now they want to say something about it? Like this I don't know, bro. This third quarter, everyone's so bullish this third quarter, and it makes me so bearish, you know? Like, I really, and maybe it's just bear market PTSD, but I really don't think we're hitting 20K this year. I think we'll probably hit 20K. I'm trying to say summer next year, and that'll be exciting, but I don't know. But Bitcoin treasuries, this list is getting longer. I remember when we first saw this list, it was like right here. Like there was only like maybe 5 or 6 things. Like this website isn't even that long. We could use Wayback Machine and going back. Let me see. Let me see your current portfolio. All right. 2% USD, 50% Link Marines. My Marines. What's up? 11% BTC. Hopefully, I feel like this thing is a little Oh, that's just me. That's just me doing that. All right. ETH 6%, EWT 4%, M Stable Savvy 2, XDAI 2, Stake, XTZ 2.2, ZRX2, Uni. Ooh, 0.6, bro. My dog got the whole list. Oh my God, May 2020. Yeah, I see that. My dog got the list. I dog got the list. But yeah, but y'all remember that this list was only like four companies. Now the list getting bigger, wider. Man, we finna be lit. But I'm not gonna lie. Let me put that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lose my mind. Hootie hoo for that UBT. I'm not gonna lose my mind until we break 20K. When we break 20K and then come back and make it support, that's it, y'all. Like, I don't know. I might quit my job. For real. I might quit my job. No, but like, seriously, when we break 20K and make it support, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. There'll be like, we're only gonna get this bull run, however long this bull run lasts, because Bitcoin's gonna be able to be like, you're gonna be able to buy it almost off of anything. Like when I first got in, it was just Coinbase. Like that was the most trusted. That was the one. That was the spot. You know what I'm saying? And then you jump to Binance, but now you're gonna have Robinhood, Coinbase, this, that, all these different venues, and then you got institutional money, big dollar money, huge money, bomb. Like, we're never gonna get this again. This is our only moment right here, right now. Your best friend ain't talking about Bitcoin. Your cousin ain't talking about Bitcoin. Hell, your girlfriend still don't believe you about your Bitcoin. Right now is our only chance. And yeah, when we break 20K, it's shoot, I might quit my job and make these videos, but I need to be monetized first. You know what I'm saying? I need to be monetized first. What's up? Oh, so this next thing that I wanted to talk about, Vincent, you know, that government agency that we all voted for. Oh, yeah. Just going back to that. Just like PayPal, thank you for reminding me that, Memphis. Just like that with PayPal, they're just like Robinhood. You can't, like, you can buy Bitcoin there, but you can't withdraw. You can't send to nobody. You can't do all this. You can't do all that. So that means I ain't buying no Bitcoin there. This isn't meant for us. This isn't meant for people who are in the chat right now. This is meant for the noobs, the people, the people that completely continue to ignore it, and then their best friend says, hey, you should buy some Bitcoin, and instead of jumping on a Coinbase and doing all this extra stuff, they're gonna be like, well, I have Venmo, I have a PayPal, I can just buy it here. And that's what they're gonna do. And that's for all the mainstream. Trust me, when you see it on mainstream news ain't gonna show you how to go on Coinbase or nothing like that to get your Bitcoin. They're gonna show you all the derivative and other places you can get your Bitcoin at. They're not gonna show you the real places you need to be getting them at to, you know, own your own keys and whatnot. 20K break 2020. This year may just have started. I don't know, bro. I don't know, dog. I don't know. It's too bullish. It's too bullish. I'm scared. It's too bullish, dog. I'm scared. But Vincent, who are they? A completely created part of the government that didn't exist like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, did not exist. Who appointed these people? Nobody knows. But they're here to saying we're regulating this crypto space for the US people. And we don't like Bitcoin mixers and tumblers. So you got Helix and CoinNinja getting served with violations for money laundering and operating under an unlicensed money transmitter. And I'm just sitting here and just like, this is wild. And thank you, Trek, Smart Trek. He put me on this real quick. So, shout out to Smart Trek if you don't follow him. But I was reading this, and of course, it's a whole bunch of legal, like, they really just be talking in circles and talking about how CoinNinja and Helix were operating since 2017. And if you don't know what a money, so I should have really explained what a mixer or a tumbler is. So a mixer and a tumbler is, I guess it's almost like an address where you can send your Bitcoin or any, like, and there's some for Ethereum too. I know there's something called Tornado Cash. But what you do is you send it to like this address, and it mixes your coins with other people who are sending to different wallets. So that way it masks where your coins came from and who it was sent to. But it just masks it. It doesn't really like hide everything, because at the end of the day, it's the blockchain and you can still navigate through everything with it. But that this is a way for you to keep your money private. Now, I really want to get you guys about this one. I close my blinds at night. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, hey, camera, chill out. I lock my door. I have a door. I keep it closed. I lock it when I go to bed. I got windows up, all that stuff. I do these things for privacy. I lock my phone because I do it for privacy. I don't want everybody in my business. I don't want anybody seeing what's going on in my home all the time. I do these things for privacy. Now, when we ask for privacy when it comes to our money, all of a sudden things are like, oh, whoa. Why do you need to hide it if you have nothing to hide? You get what I'm saying? All of a sudden, when we start talking about money privacy or internet privacy, if you're not doing nothing wrong, then you shouldn't have to be worried. But I'm not doing nothing wrong in my home yet. I still want my privacy. And I don't. So as this continues to happen in this space, we're starting to see that more and more and more, that they're trying to regulate it. FBI paying cash to break into Monero. The funny thing is about the whole Monero thing, there was an article that came out talking about the FBI cracked Monero and they found a way to crack it. And then like 2 weeks later, FBI started paying cash for anybody who could hack Monero. And I was like, wait a second, didn't you guys hack it like 2 weeks ago? What do you mean? And apparently what happened was, when they claimed that they hacked it, bruh, the crypto space was rolling, laughing at them like, no, you didn't. No. And so they had to they really couldn't figure out how to do it. Granted, eventually Monero's gonna get hacked. And when I say hacked, I mean traced and whatnot. People don't realize Monero's been traced before. No one talks about it, but this was before my time. At one point something happened, and all of Monero's transactions were released to the public from that point and backwards. And then from that point forwards, they got masked again. And I'm like, yeah, this isn't as private as people think it are. So what we really need in this space is true privacy, because when you start using Bitcoin mixers, there are articles that also came out that Coinbase, any Monero sounds like a Latin boy band. Any exchange, any centralized exchange, any person that has to abide to regulations that isn't truly decentralized, they're going to abide by the laws. And if they see your wallet has been transacting with Bitcoin mixers, they'll shut your account down. Binance has been known to do it. Coinbase easily have been known to do it. And I haven't heard from any other places, but it's a fact that if you're using mixers and whatnot, don't try to use a centralized exchange, because you're whatever you send to that exchange, you may not ever get it back, just to be honest with you. So just it's sad to see this is happening in the space as well, while everyone's all excited about it. But I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta start. You know, you gotta stop using centralized. They're only good for on fiat on and off ramps. That's if you're doing that. That's all they're good for. And it's gonna reach a point where they're not even gonna be good for that. As much as people think about it, exchanges are gonna get phased out. Like, I really think like exchanges like that are gonna get phased out, or people aren't just gonna leave. Like, with these stable coins is for reals like this, and they're working pretty fine now. People aren't gonna need to go back to fiat. It's just not gonna, like, why? So then what's gonna be the purpose of the exchange? You know? Whew. 625K reward isn't enough to crack Monero. Not even close. I don't think, not even. Only mainstream, you're right. Yeah, Bitcoin's not fully private. Going back to this, what was it, the IMF? My thoughts on the whole IMF thing, going back to Malcolm's thing, IMF, the whole Bretton Woods, the new, like, a whole new Bretton Woods agreement and whatnot. Hold on, y'all don't see me. The whole new Bretton Woods agreement and whatnot. Look, that just means we're already on the right side of history. They know what time it is. They think about this, guys. Yee! You stupid blue. Yee! But we're already on the right side of history. We're already here. What? Who's that guy? What? We're already here, right side of history. They're just trying to catch up to the game. That's all they're trying to do. They're just trying to catch up to the game. I don't, you know, I'm saying I can't help them. Speaking of Bretton Woods. I just had to do that. I just had to do it because I got the buttons now, so I just had to do it, dog. Hopefully y'all were able to hear that. Or I was just standing there looking stupid, and if I didn't hear that, it'd be like that. Anyways, pulled that there. Ooh, I saw this tweet the other day, and I was rolling. So Crypto Daily put out a tweet. OKX still hasn't enabled Bitcoin withdrawals. They custody over 200,000 Bitcoin. That's 2.4 billion locked for nearly a week now. And then Alexander's, another YouTuber, was like, wrap BTC, deposit into DeFi, claim hack, close withdrawal, yield farm. Because here's the thing. More BTC are continuing to come off exchanges, but this is a really good conspiracy theory, and I really like this one because it would be I'm sorry, I got lost in reading something. It would be funny if they were doing this. It would be wild if they were really doing this, but it's not good for their business model. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't be good for their business model at all. Granted, this space is kind of shady. I've seen some stuff happen. We don't know what they're doing, but that would be funny if a centralized exchange claimed that they were being hacked, wrapped the Bitcoin, and started using DeFi for it. I'd be it'd be nasty. I was looking at this from Ivan on Tech, and I was looking at this, and I'm like, are we really in the disbelief phase? Like, what phase of this chart do you guys think we're in right now? I really want you guys to think about that. Like, what phase of this chart you guys think? Put it in the chat. You think we're in disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, anger, depression, disbelief, hope, anger. We can't be in anger, bro. Anonymous, really? Disbelief, actually? You actually think we're in disbelief? Hope. Hope is a good. Hope is a good one. Hope, disbelief, all of them. All of them. Yeah, it's we had all of them, dog. Oh Lord. Um, I will say, um, I remember Euphoria because that's when I got in, not realizing what was happening. Complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, which was 3K, anger, which was sitting down there at 3K. We didn't stay at 3K for long, and I think depression. I don't. I think I was going through depression before we hit capitulation. Before I hit my capitulation, but I had never sold. But it was just their point of like I don't know if this is like worth it anymore. You know what I'm saying? So I think I hit depression first. But right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh damn! I thought the video paused. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Maybe I should make my little image bigger if you guys can't see me. I feel like I'm in disbelief. Like I really feel like I'm in disbelief. Like, because you guys hear me, I'm over here talking about, man, we need to come back down. This, and that, all this, that. I don't believe this. This can't be real. Like, we not really moving like this. So we gonna see how this goes. But if everybody's thinking we're in disbelief, we're probably not in disbelief, bro. We're probably somewhere else because the market's usually wrong. If everybody has the same consensus, we're probably all wrong. Another more bad news coming out for these centralized exchanges, these derivative centralized exchanges for a fact. They're forcing people to KYC even harder now. So that's unfortunate for them. This is just gonna push people into more decentralized applications. And honestly, this is where it's at. Now, granted, I don't do, what is this? Dibrits for like margin, options, and what trading. There are some option trading platforms on, and some derivative trading platforms on Ethereum. They don't work as well, but they work. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to provide KYC or anything like that. And you probably won't have to for a while. So sucks for them, sucks for the people who have to reveal themselves now, but this is just gonna create new products that people are gonna want over this stuff, you know? Nah, I wasn't there, bro. I wasn't there. Um, when Bitcoin dropped to 150 from 1K, that was a dark time. Jonah, you've been in it for a minute. Good God, John Hill, you an OG. You an OG. What you mean? Unless that's psyops. All right, I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna really stop doing that. Just so you guys feel better. Thank you, Blue Fig, for thank you guys for laughing. Thank you guys for laughing. At least I'm not crazy, dog. Okay, now y'all just trying to make me feel better. Willy Woo, kick. Bro, I wish we had the Twitter, not the Twitter, the Twitch emotes, man. That'd be lit. Willy Woo, another Bitcoin whale. He's a whale for sure. Presently, 2.4% of the world's population holds Bitcoin. Ain't that amazing, bro? What we all on the same page. Think about this, guys. Think about this. Imagine creating YouTube content when YouTube was still early, when 2.5% of the world wasn't using YouTube, and the career you could have made out of YouTube during YouTube's growth age. Now, I believe YouTube's like either here or is like on the laggard side, but I think the late majority, the whole innovator adoption curve, I think YouTube's like at this point, and that's just unfortunate. But do I have this chart here? Yeah, I do. So I don't got to flip it here. What is it? User base, PayPal 346 million, Bitcoin 187 million. That's a big deal. Estimating how many Bitcoin holders of BTC on an on-chain forensics from Glassnode. Ooh. So I really should go to Glassnode. I wonder if Glassnode's gonna let me see this metric, or they're gonna tell me I gotta pay for it. I gotta pay for it. Anyways, right here from 2010 and onward, the number of Bitcoin addresses holding at least 0.1 Bitcoin is on a historic rise. Now, granted, it's always been on a rise. It always goes up. So I don't know how much of a good indicator this is, because even throughout the entire bear marketness, it's steadily just continued to go up. So that just means Bitcoin's being adopted even more. Bitcoin's just like doing its thing. You killing it with the X-Files. Bro, I got some other sounds. I've got some sounds that I'm gonna put on this thing, and we really finna have some fun. I've already started laying out like the whole square like of this thing. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna spend my Bitcoin wisely and put it back into the business and upgrade the business just a little bit. Wait till I'm standing up doing crazy emotes and stuff and whatnot. Just wait on it. But I need a girlfriend first. Blue Kirby. No, not Blue Kirby. When's the interview with Blue Kirby happening? Man, Blue Kirby ain't finna give me the time of day. Blue Kirby is not finna give me the time of day at all. Y'all can smell my feet? Oh no. Hey, what's good, Black Stuntman? Hey, y'all better be ready for Black Stuntman. He about to shield everything in the world in this chat. But it's all good, Black Stuntman. As long as you're not killing it. But I already know what you about to come do. You about to spam the chat with the shilling. But what's good, Black Stuntman? Oh snap. Oh, when I do the whole close-up thing. I'll be happy. So did you know somebody on Chico's channel, when I was moderating, they came up to me and said, "Hey Mackenzie, you not funny, your channel boring." And I'm told him, "You still subscribe though." I was like, "What you talking about? You still subscribe though?" Yeah, support me. Yeah, there's a lot of cats that have been doing content for 10 years, real OGs in this space. Yeah, they hoop. Ice Cold, hey, Ice Cold Crypto, what's going on, man? How you doing? Thank you for joining the stream. We just getting started. New all-time high by the end of the year. You see, this is that's why this is why I can't believe Bitcoin's hitting 20K this year, because everybody thinks Bitcoin's hitting 20K this year. And wait till that rug pull come. No, not yet. Be careful. But we'll see. I'm not gonna be mad if we hit 20K this year. I'm gonna just be in the corner, shut up, like, I mean, I was one of them people who was saying we weren't for the, whatever. And then I'm going to be like, but I'm still here though. I'm still here. All right. So what else I got on here? That Bloom. Oh, so, y'all know everything that's going on with the whole world situation, all these other countries their money is being even more devalued. Well, in other people's money, you know, the money that's not the US dollar, because everybody wants US dollars. Everything that's not US dollars, especially some of the, oh yeah, don't forget y'all. Don't forget. Like, subscribe, smash the like button. How many of you guys in here? I didn't even check. Oh my God, there's like 40 of y'all. Wow, I'm just kidding. There's like 38. But smash the like buttons, guys. You know I'm here, chilling. What is going on? What was so funny? Chill Master strikes again. Everybody else's currency, and right now we're looking at the Brazilian real. I think that's what it is. 20K, then rug pull, right? Like, something tells me this isn't. I'm gonna have to check on something on this, because the stuff that I'm saying, you guys are catching like 30 to almost a minute after I'm saying it. I feel. I don't know. I'm gonna test something out. All right. As quickly as you can. What time is it right now? I already set my timer. Okay. That was only like 10 seconds. I'm tripping. I'm really tripping, y'all. Anyways, the Brazilian real, Bitcoin's already hit all-time highs in their currency. So now imagine this. In our US dollar currency, we haven't even hit 20K yet. You know, we haven't even gotten there yet. In other people in, like, I'm not gonna say lower countries, but in underdeveloped countries, their money in their currency, Bitcoin's already hitting all-time highs. And now other countries are gonna start seeing, and they're gonna be like, what's this Bitcoin thing? You know what I'm saying? They're gonna see it before the US people, like US people are gonna see it. And they're gonna be like, whoa, this thing's already hit all-time high. I love me some small cat DeFi projects, bro. Don't I too? Don't I too? Yes, I'm. As much as that, look, I'm gonna catch this money where it's at, because we're only going to get this for so long. We're only gonna get this for so long before it's over, you know, like that. But oh, so now the part of the video where I talk about some of my games, not some of my games, or some of my bags. So my wearable bag's been doing terrible, trash, terrible. I've been getting wrecked on this wearable bag. I got in like around right here, and then swoop. So I don't know about this wearable stuff right now, but my wearable bag is getting like straight up destroyed. And that's just what happens with these cryptocurrencies. They go through hype cycles. It's just ugh. But we gonna see what happens with this. Like I said, I usually don't sell stuff when they go down that bad, because I don't want to deal with the whole tax implications. I usually just hold it and wait for the next cycle. That's what I do with some of these bags, and they be doing it. Yeah, I'm upside down, bro. Oh, hold on. Didn't I tell you guys? Y'all don't like my new shirt? ETH America, bro. ETH America 2020. What y'all mean? ETH America 2020. Nah, I was waiting for you to get in the chat, Scotty P. I was waiting for you to get in the chat. Hold on. Oh, hold up. Let me stretch out for you guys. But Scotty P got me the shirt. Shout out to Scotty P. These are limited edition Scotty P shirts. Chico family shirts, Chico crypto shirts. He overnighted me my shirt because I was so special to the community, you know. I'm real special. But shout out to Scotty P. Thank you for the shirt. You know, it's gonna be worn real nice. You know, I ain't gonna let the girl that comes over at night sleep in this shirt. It's only for me. Y'all know I'm lying, dog. Y'all know I'm going to sleep alone. Anyways, Eat America, baby. But yeah, my wearable bags is getting molested, bro. Just like I said, the next hype wave, I'll sell it off. I'll try to break even on the next hype wave and just take that loss. This channel A52. I know. I know you're not saying that. I hate you guys, dog. I hate y'all. X Die. Y'all saw me do the my steak, the X Die video. It's doing good. Scotty P, that guy, bruh. Yeah, so my X Die is doing pretty good. I did the video like right here, when we were sitting at like around $10. And yeah, and now we're, you know, passing the $10. We're going back to 13, going back to $14. Second layer solution, guys. It went through its hype cycle phase, and now it looks like it's at least bottoming out. You can see how it hits this point 3 times, and it looks like it wants to bottom out right here where it topped out. We know where it says previous resistance becomes new support. That's what it looks like it's actually happening. Right now it's so answering Hourglass. I'm way too like, so the way you had your coins broken out is how I have my coins broken out too. I have so just like how I was talking about the rareable thing, how I'm just gonna hold on to it till the next hype cycle. That's how some of my coins that I have, like, they gone down so much that I'm like, I'm gonna wait till the next super hype bull market cycle and these things hit new all-time highs and this, and then I'm gonna sell these things off. But I think I have like coins that I don't even remember having still. I think I'm up to like 12, but like a majority of the percentages, you know, it'll go from like 30%, 35%, 10%, 5%, 2%, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Like, that's how it's gonna go. But steak is looking pretty good. It's finding support. This is a better time to get in than up here. You know, everybody wants to get up here when it's all hype because it's gone up so much, but nobody wants to buy it down here when it's no hype and it's not going up and it looks like it's going down. So just to be mindful. And not only that, but these coins go in patterns too. You can see this pattern back here when it did its thing and then it like went sideways for a while and then popped off again. It's probably going to do that. It's probably going to go sideways. It might even come back all the way down. Who knows? But when it comes to like altcoins that have better potential, I usually try to accumulate those a little. But going to HoneySwap, when I made, because you know that's the whole point of the X Die, coming over here on HoneySwap, the honey that I bought during that video's up good. The liquidity in HoneySwap actually just went up too. When we were talking about it, we were sitting here at like 5 million or so, and now we're just a little bit above 5 million. So that's steady growth. Now, I really wish I was in here when it was like just 1 million or even sooner, like even over here in September. It'd been dope to be in here when it was like that less, but we're gonna see. Now, granted, bruh, jumped into stake at $32. That's gotta hurt, bro. Yeah. Hold on, let me pull it up. Trust me, I know the feeling. Why is this in Bitcoin and not? Sorry, it's showing me the price in BTC and I want it in USD. There we go. Yeah. Bruh, jumped in this, bruh, you bought the top. Yup. That one's gotta, you know what I'm saying? I know I tried XDAI chain after your video. That's what's up, bro. Try it out. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard, especially when hype goes on. It's hard not to buy these tops when the hype goes on. But everybody's gonna learn. When you see something like this, a straight line up, it's not the best time to buy it. But when you see like, all right, hype's dying down, we're gonna accumulate in this area to see if we can sit. That's when you want to buy something. It's a bull market. Do you think that ETH will be going down, or are we too late to get around this price? When it comes to ETH is a high cap. It's the number 2 coin right after Bitcoin. I just keep accumulating ETH. You're not going to be mad at yourself 6 months from now. That's what I always keep telling people. 6 months from now, are you going to be looking back at this time mad that you didn't buy some, or mad that you didn't buy more? So just keep thinking about that, because we're still in like the cycle. Bitcoin still hasn't hit 20K yet. We don't know what the next top is going to be. Just accumulate. Take your time, dollar cost average. But I can't give financial advice, because that was not financial advice. But what I'm doing is I'm accumulating. Even if the price goes down, I'm accumulating. That's what I've done this entire time. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, because that's what's worked for me. I don't try, like, we can trade in and out of these alt stuff, but I just like see projects that I like and I accumulate. I don't make them too much of my. Hold on, let me see if I can flip this. No, I ain't gonna log in. There you go. I'm not gonna try to trade too much of these cryptos. I will speculate a little bit on them, but it's just too much stress. But we're doing pretty good on this. Honey's getting a little bit more volume. Now I want to see this volume stick around, and I want to see it, do its thing. Rocket Pool, another one of my coins that's doing all right now. So right now what's actually happening is they have a beta going on right now, and I think this is why the price of the coin is holding up way better than some of these other coins. They're having a beta, because what Rocket Pool is going to do is not everybody's going to be able to stake 32 Ethereum, because when you're staking 32 Ethereum, you got to be a validator, you got to do this, you got to do that. There's going to be multiple things you got to do, and not everybody's going to want to do that. So Rocket Pool, and this isn't like a brand new project. This has been around since like 2017. And so they got some solid volume coming through, but they've got some peoples with them. Now, granted, we're on a higher end, but compared to the rest of the market, like, look at what this is doing and look at what all the other coins are doing. And you can see that something's going on over here. Now, could we go back down? Could we crash some more? Of course we can. It's easily, of course we can. But just remember, if do some research, check it out, read onto it. If it makes sense to you, you do what you want to do. I can't be mad at you. Also, another one of my bags, I said it on a live stream. I think it was like maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago, maybe. But I was talking about on the live stream how I bought this coin. It's Hegic. It's about decentralized option trading, because one of my friends, he does options trade. He does option trading. And it's like decentralized options trading right now. And I was looking into it, and I liked everything I saw, and I bought this top right here. And before I was gonna put it in the video, and then this happened. And I was like, thank God I didn't make a video on this. Oh Lord, thank God I didn't make a video on this. But I at least told people how I got wrecked, though. I told people like, hey, look what I did. I got wrecked. But I'm only half wrecked now. Like, I'm back to at least, like, if I would have bought this before this little pump right here, if I would have bought it like right here, I'd be like net zero right now. So right now it's doing okay. Decentralized option trading on Ethereum. check it out. But you know, I like looking at charts that aren't the same like everybody else. Everybody else's charts, they're going down while this one's doing something different. Now, I'm not telling you guys to go buy it, but do your own research. Good God, I have to say that every time. Oh wow, we hit the exact hour mark. That's all I got for you guys. What y'all want to show? Y'all can do a little show session for this last 10 minutes, and we can just like dive into nonsense and just see like what are you guys actually buying. Definitely ask me any question. Ken's been around for a while. Ken, oh, isn't that the social media app? Not kind. Ken. Is this the Ken that I'm thinking about? Or is this something? Yeah, this is the exact Ken that I'm talking about. Are they doing okay? They look like they rebranded. They have their own blockchain? Nah. You can't. If they got, oh no, they can't have their own blockchain. It looks like they have their own blockchain though. Yeah, this is like the little social media app where you use the app, you get Ken, all this good stuff. It was cool, but I don't think we're there yet. I don't think we're there yet. This is great, but I don't think we're there yet personally. Farm ginger ale bread. That's DeFi food tokens. I don't want to go through no DeFi food tokens. Oh, one, y'all can't see me. I was literally going through like everything and y'all couldn't see it. I gotta stop doing that. Bread. All right. So pro tip, guys, if you guys don't know, pro tip. If a coin's on the trending search hot list right here, I don't know why I'm touching the screen like I don't have a mouse right here. Like I don't have a mouse here. Anytime you see something on the CoinGecko hot list, it's probably not a time to be buying it. Just to be 100% honest with you. If something's on the CoinGecko hot list, and of course, Bitcoin's on the CoinGecko hot list, it's definitely not a time to be buying it because it's probably mooning. So let's check. In fact, let's check all of them. Let's see what the CoinGecko hot list looks like today. Reserve rights up 50, almost 50% today. Huh. No wonder why it's on the hot list. Why would I buy something that's up 50% already? You wanted to buy down here when nobody was talking about it. Up 50% today almost. Injection protocol. 12 million market cap. Really low market cap. Okay, so it's a brand new token. Big Connect. What's good, twin? Now it makes me see. I don't want to go look into this because now this makes me want to go look into it and see like what is this? Because it's on the hot list, and no, my problem is it's on the hot list and it's brand new. It's only been out like 2 seconds. Let me guess. Somebody you were farming it. Some people farmed it already. Incentive protocol. I said incentive. Injective protocol. I'm sorry, y'all. Is the first layer 2 DEX that unlocks the full potential of decentralized derivatives and borderless DeFi. Oh, okay. So it's Binance funded. Okay, so there's VC funds, early investment funds. Okay, so these people can dump on you. That's what I see. Let's look at the Twitter. It's got some people's. The dog. See, my problem with this is it's talking about DeFi and it's like whole DeFi something 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 something. But when I look into this, I don't see big DeFi names, because I'm not saying I follow big DeFi names, but there are some big names on here like this guy and Arthur. But what I'm seeing is a bunch of influencers. And that's what I'm seeing here. So, and of course I see VC capital firms. What is this? Earn yield, trade on anything, community owned. So it's another governance token. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But I'm good right now. Brand new token out. It looks like it's bottoming out. It's just too new for me right now. Bitcoin's, oh, what do you know? It's traded on Binance. Yeah, I'm good off of that one. Uniswap, what's going on with Uni token? Uni's trying to find its bottom still. What is it? $2.94. Didn't it come out at like, yeah. So it's really just trying to find its bottom and really trying to find its footing. But we'll see how far the Uni token goes. Right now, we're just waiting for the people to sell off. And I think maybe it's hot because it looks like it's finally reaching its bottom sell-off. But right now, it doesn't look like people are buying it. There's no big volume in buying it. So we'll see. Bitcoin, we know why Bitcoin... Binance must... Binance probably has 1 billion of the tokens. I'm good, bro. I ain't letting Binance... so y'all been telling me in the chat, bro, I'm telling you, Red Snapper's right. The hot list is gonna burn you. Like, we're literally looking through the hot list just to show people, like, the hot list is gonna burn you, dog. You never want to go off of this hot list. Anytime I see somebody say something about a coin and I look at the hot list is there, it's too late. Somebody trying to dump on me. I'm good. I'm straight. Bitcoin, we know why Bitcoin is. We already get it. I heard of Beam. I remember Beam. Beam has been around for a while. It was Beam and nobody talks about Beam, but wow, Beam is getting just destroyed. Maybe because it can't find. No, it's on some markets. Yeah, it's on some markets, but Beam doesn't look like... See, this is what happens when you're your own token, your own blockchain. And what, Beam is supposed to be like a privacy coin too? This is what happens. You can't get listed on much, especially being a privacy coin. Not on here. And then what was the other one? Grin? I remember Grin. Grin's even lower. But the reason why Grin's even lower is because I think Grin has infinite inflation. Yeah. Grin has infinite inflation. So it's not smart to buy these coins. It's meant to just put money in and out of it. That's what it... What is it? KDA? Cadena. Woo, no one's talking about Cadena. Good God. My God, Cadena getting that work right now. Jesus. I'm so glad I sold my bag when I did. But Jesus. But it looks like it's trying to make support down here. At least that's what it looks like it wants to do. But that kind of... I hate these kind of sell-offs. Hey, what's good, Crypto Bud? Hey, taking shots. You know, we're just looking at charts and whatnot, dog. Ugh, see, bro, you gotta sell. You gotta sell when you're in profit, bro. You gotta sell. Especially when you start seeing the market turn. Or, like, this is just... Hey, what you talking about? I'm the crypto Christopher Wallace. What you mean? Hey, let me chill out. Was Ether on the hot list too? Yeah, Ether number 2 on the hot list. We know why ETH is on the hot. Wait, do we know why ETH is on the hot list? Is ETH looking good right now? Well, ETH usually, yeah, because ETH usually follows Bitcoin in the long run. That's what ETH does. So I can see why why people are looking at ETH too as well. And then was it Core? Core was the last thing on the hot list. I told you guys about the dev friend that I was talking about. He told me to buy Core right here, and I didn't, and I was pissed. Should have bought it too. Should have bought it. Crypto Culture, Chico, and Scotty P, the only YouTubers anyone needs. Follow them and you'll be just fine. Bro, I just try to be like 100% honest. Oh yeah, ETH was on the PayPal list too, because it was ETH, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Litecoin. Yeah, so I see why ETH. Like, see, the funny thing is, even Litecoin was on there, right? What did it do for Litecoin? Did Litecoin get some love? Okay, so Litecoin got some love too. All right, cool. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I was holding Litecoin for a while, dog. And then it reached that point where I was just like, all right, I'm straight. I remember I was accumulating Litecoin down here, and then it was right up here. And then I put another bag of Litecoin in here because this was right before the Litecoin happening. And I'm pissed because I got wrecked. Granted, I had a bag down here too, but I wanted to add more to my bag, but I kind of ruined my gains when I did that. I was pissed. But now I know the game now. I know. Going back to Harvest Finance, because somebody was definitely asking about that. Harvest Finance. Is that on the hot list too? Yeah, it's on the hot list. Did I talk about that first? I think I did. Harvest Finance, what's the supply? It's not max supply. That's it. That's that. Ooh, you bought this at See, this is one of them coins you were supposed to be farming to get returns on. I feel like it was a meme coin at first. That's why it had such a bad thing, because whales got into it and crashed the price. And now you can still farm it. It's still getting some volume, but if people see, the thing is, this is a coin you're not supposed to buy. It literally says it in the name. Farm. You're supposed to farm this already. You're not supposed to buy this. And it's but I guess it's because it's getting like, it got integrations with matcha and all these other things. So that's why it was probably on the hot list. But I think that's a good little segment. For me. Anytime I do the live stream, look at the CoinGecko hot list and see who's getting wrecked. I like doing this. And you know, it's more fun than just shilling coins, but usually the coins that people are shilling are usually the hot list, just to be honest with you guys. Let me close all this stuff out. All right. What is it? 1 hour 13. Kenzie's my name. All right, yeah, so I can go there and check. Let's see. I disagree, but I like this dude. Litecoin pumping. Kenzie, that's the name. You know, y'all know my name. Stop playing. LTC, brother. Oh yeah, there are way more dudes qualified than us, but here's the thing. There's always gonna be, I'm just commenting on what Scotty P talking about. There's always going to be new people coming into the space, and there's always going to be those big YouTubers that they just can't understand or get with. And so they're always going to be looking for a smaller person they can have more intimacy with. Because think about when like Altcoin Daily or even Chico Crypto, when he goes live, what happens? You try to ask anything, or even Crypto Blood, like when he goes live, people just spam in the chat. Like you can't really even ask a question. But right now, it's just us. It's just me and y'all. Y'all ask a question, I can answer it. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what smaller people are going to be looking for in the space when they start coming in. And that's why I'm like, bring them through, bring them to me. I'll protect you. I ain't trying to protect you, but you know what I'm saying? They're a little rough. I've been around the block to recognize real. Hey, look. I'm saying, what is one of my best coin calls, man? You must haven't been here long enough, dog. I don't want to shill it, but the chat, you know what? Who's here long enough to know my best coin call? Spam it in the chat, because I already know. Y'all should know. Y'all should already know. Any news on what's cool? What is that? Poop coin. Link. Link. Bit connect. There's enough room for all of us. Oh yeah, no disrespect. What you talking? I don't even know what Pete, what were you commenting on? People talking about BTC. Scotty P got it. Scotty P got it from a mile away. It's because I talk to Scotty P every day. Dang, Pete, you don't like us? Well, it's okay. You fucking with me. You know what I'm saying? My Chico cool with me. Scotty cool with me. But Pete, you over here in my chat, so you cool with me. So we don't gotta talk about them when you cool with me. But Scotty P might hate you in the chat though. Good luck. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. No, but it was Wi-Fi though. I still have love for you. You can't, bro. Here's the thing. Their hustle is almost like me. See, there's YouTubers that don't shill coins, and then there's YouTubers that shill coins, and like it just gets muddied in in all of the mess. And I try to keep it like 100% as much as possible. Hey, chill out. Y'all not finna do nothing to Pete. Pete just out here chilling. Y'all not finna kill Pete. Y'all not finna do this. It's just a muddled mess. I just try to keep it real with you guys. I don't be trying to pretend like I'm this super analyst or whatever, because I'm out here just give peace a chance. I'm just out here doing the same thing y'all doing. And these bigger crypto YouTubers, they're out here doing the exact same thing I'm doing. They just have a bigger following. That's it. They just have a bigger voice. But we're all doing the same thing. Any crypto YouTuber, it's all the same hustle if they weren't already like bigger bags. You get what I'm saying? What's up with HoneySwap? I already talked about HoneySwap in the early part of the video. I was just talking about how it went from like 5 million to like 6 million in volume. The token's doing all right. Moons, bricks. What was it? Was it Moons or bricks that's being added to Kraken? One of them is being added to Kraken, Moon or bricks. But that's wild to think. I flock with all you cats. But yeah, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head out for the night. Everyone excited, everyone's vibing, everyone's chilling, everyone's doing their thing. I want to say I appreciate you guys for coming back to the chat, coming back to, y'all come to mess with me, y'all come listen to what I'm talking about, and I appreciate it so much. Nick T, thank you. Like, share, subscribe, share it to your peoples, let them know, hey, he ain't finna tell you nothing crazy, he ain't finna try to sell you nothing, but I'm gonna be out here, I'm gonna try to be as honest as possible, y'all. And trust me when I say, when I quit my job, y'all gonna be the first to know. Y'all gonna be the first to know. All right, let me stop playing with this thing before I break it for real. Other than that, y'all, take it easy. Peace. They really fuck with me, dog. Take it easy, y'all.